Hey, what's up, guys? This is Wesley with Fixing Things, and I woke up this morning, wanted to get on my computer, and it wouldn't type. So, checked all the plugins, they were good, and I decided to get a new keyboard because this one will not work, and I am going to fix it today. So, you just need let's see, take a knife and a screwdriver. Well, first I'll take the knife and cut the cord. This one's not sharp. I'll have to sharpen it. So yeah, I cut the cord. Now, we need to take our screwdriver and get inside here to get the chip out to fix it. So, I'm going to take these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws out. And I'm going to do that now. So let me get this screw out first. One screw out. Now let me get this middle one out. Okay. Well, fancy crap here. Guess what's wrong with the world? All technology. I should get this tail off. Ouch. Down here in the chest. So now, let me just take all this off. Right there's your problem. This thing right here is broke. Well, guys, I think that has been it. Put that down in there. I'll go to Walmart and get me a new one. It's not worth fixing. I don't even think a computer technician will fix that. So yeah, that's been it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Jumpy Motion Pictures out.